all, it's Matthew from the New Jersey branch again, here for a few seconds to speak about a well-known traditional product in the industry, Strut, Strut, Kindorf. We all know it, we all see it, probably all used it as the HVAC contractor or plumber. The unique thing about the all-fastener Strut, it's not oily. This is clean Strut. Another very unique and usable item or thing about our Strut is we have markers on our Strut on the side. What is this for? This is a spot where you can put your bandsaw blade. It's a spot where you can put your sawzall blade, and you don't have to jump around when you're trying to make that perfect straight cut. The next thing is each marker is 1 inch, and then every 6 inches is a longer line. Talk about easy when you need that guy on the field to cut you a 12-inch or 24-inch piece of Strut. He doesn't even need a tape measure with the all-fastener Strut. He's got the markers. Talk about make it simple.